want bacon in the morning?
New camera view, maybe. Probably.
In the ice cream now. In the ice cream now.
Yeah, mint chocolate chip. Where's the freaking spoon?
Spread that cheese. I'm not recording. Hello, once again on it.
I bent the spoon trying to get this ice cream out.
You did? Is it bend?
Yeah, a little bit, see?
Tiniest bit. Mom won't know. What happened to this spoon?
It actually did get bent a lot. This is probably not the best one, but we don't have any ice cream scoopers. Every time we get one, someone borrows it.
That's his mom.
You gotta get your freaking own. Let's just freaking bend the crap out of it. I need a new spoon. You have no ice cream scooper? Are you serious? Come on. You gotta have an ice cream lake scoop. Heck no. Will this work?
The ice cream might fall out.
It won't. Unless it melts. Yeah, this will work unless you want to give me one for yours. That's what I used.
Okay, give me.
Epic camera switch.